April Fool's is the one time of the year you are legally allowed to annoy someone. So why not take the opportunity to annoy my family? I want to do that by hiding tiny buzzers in their rooms and making a web server so I can choose whenever they go off. Step 1 is choosing the parts. I went with the ESP based microcontroller and it's very cheap. It has Wi-Fi and that's the reason why I chose this one. I chose this buzzer. It's a 3-volt buzzer and I will power it with 2 AA batteries with this holder. So I made this quick prototype. It's just it's all together. As you can hear, it beeps. The batteries are connected with the ESP and the ESP is connected with the buzzer, and so it makes the noise. This thing is using not a lot of power, but still enough to drain these batteries in around 2 or 3 days, and that's not long enough. So I need to get the ESP in deep sleep mode. I will show you how you can do that. It will pull down this pin right here, that on the ESP chip. That pin isn't breaked out to these pins, so we need to bridge the gap from this pin to reset. To do that, I'm using this very thin copper wire, and then I be putting the cable on. That should be good. Now you can see there's a cable running from this pin right here to the reset pin. Now when I turn it on, now it's connecting to Wi-Fi and it will drop down to 0 microamps. It's still using power, but this thing can't measure it. So I made a PCB design with the same wiring as the prototype and then sent them over to PCBWay. PCBWay is my first sponsor. They sponsored PCBs in this video. PCBWay makes PCBs. You can order them from their website. You just have to upload your PCB design, choose the settings you want, and then you can order them. After ordering them, they will be delivered after a few days, but with some magic, I already got them. Now I got the PCBs, I will make one of them and test it out. And when I put these batteries in it, it should turn on. You can check if it works by pressing the reset button. This LED will blink. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay, yes, nice. So, this one works. Oh, I can hide it somewhere. What's better than one buzzer? I would say 10. I will put them all together and then I will be back. They are put together now. You can see they are all just the same. Now we can test them out. I have written the code. The code works like this. The ESPs checks a web server if they need to do anything. The circles you can see on the website are representing all of the ASPs. When they are green, like now, that means they are waiting for anything to happen. When I press sleep, they all turn red. That is so I can see that they are sleeping. When I press the button beep, they all turn yellow. And when the ASP has connected and asked, do I need to do anything? Then it would turn to green. So I can see if they went off already or not. Then I press beep. When I do, they should go all off, not at the same time, but around the same time. So, as you can see, the ones that still need to go off, they are yellow, and the ones that gone off and are done with everything are green. As you can see, there are still a few that didn't go off. Most of them work. I like that. I can now hide them in my house, through my house, everywhere I like, and just press the button, they will go off. And I can annoy my family. Again, thanks PCBWay for sending me the PCBs. That was all for me, and bye.